Hi, everybody. I am out in my favorite park again, and I finished recording a podcast episode on our cells and healing. And I wanted to send out just a little reminder that our body needs time to restore its energy. So, this podcast episode is all about if you're someone who's going and going and going. Remember that if your cells in your body don't have enough energy, enough reserve, they can't do their job for you. And if you're someone who is struggling with something like chronic pain, or you're struggling with an illness of some kind, or a loss which really depletes energy, just remember to look at if you need a little more time, downtime, even if it's in short bursts. The other day, and I mentioned this on the podcast, I took the whole day. I stayed in my pajamas and I stayed in bed, and I wasn't sick, but I turned off my phone. I didn't tell anybody except my husband what I was doing. It was a weekday, and and I watched funny movies all day on Netflix. I had my tea and some, just like my cuddle blanket, and I felt like a little kid playing hooky from school, and it's what I needed. But before I did it, I talked to myself and I made sure that I was not going to spend the day feeling guilty that I was doing it. And that's really important because we can tend to feel really guilty when we take time for ourselves. And it's so important because whatever we feel, right, goes out into our bodies. So just remember that there is a lot of energy going around. We have been, hear the helicopter, we've been dealing with a lot of stress and different circumstances now for quite a while. If you're dealing with other things in your life as well, that is an added stress. And there is nothing weak about taking time to restore your energy. So, just a little reminder, everybody I know is doing the absolute best they can, but sometimes when we hear it from someone else, we give ourselves permission for more self care. So, just sending you lots of love and lots of self care, and have a beautiful, beautiful day. See you soon. Bye.